Prerequisite settings. The following settings have to be adjusted before route planning. Open the ECDIS planning mode. Set the safety contour and the safety depth according to the ship's needs. Set the scope of depth values to local. In addition, see instruction 5212, route presentation. Create a route. Click on Tools and select Route Explorer. The left part of the Route Explorer shows the catalogues in which the routes are saved, and the right part displays all saved routes of the selected catalogue. There are two ways to create a new route. The first way is to click on New, and a new route window will appear. Enter a route name, click on the catalogue drop-down menu, and select the desired catalogue in which the route should be saved. Alternatively, create a new catalogue by clicking on Add and entering a name. Confirm with OK. The second way to create a route is by right-clicking on the right side of the Route Explorer and selecting New Route. Both ways to create a new route name lead to the creation of an initial waypoint at the center position of the planning area on the chart. It's marked with the label W1. To create further waypoints, see Topic 5.2, Waypoint Creation and Modification. Load a route. Open the Route Explorer and select the desired catalogue. To load a route, choose a route and click on Open. The route will be displayed on the chart. The small I symbol next to the route name indicates the status of an opened route. Note, it is possible to open more than one route at the same time. Topic 512, Edit Route. This topic explains how to edit existing route files. Edit via Waypoint List. Open the Route Explorer and select an existing route. To access the Waypoint List, right-click on the route name and select Waypoint List. Click on Route and the following functions can be selected. Save, to save the waypoint list. Close, to close the waypoint list. Reschedule, to reschedule the waypoint list. Activate, to activate the route for monitoring. Schedule graph, to show the schedule graph. Set up passage plan, to customize the passage plan. Print passage plan, to print the passage plan. Edit route, to add and edit the route note. Reverse route, to reverse the route. Check route, to check the route. Select View to show the following functions. Planning, to show the planning part of the waypoint list. Schedule, to show the schedule part of the waypoint list. Filter View, to show, activate or deactivate the waypoint list filter by clicking on the corresponding checkbox. Click on Options and the following functions can be selected. Set Planned Speed Mode. Clear Planned Speed Mode. Save a route. There are several ways to save a route. The first way is to open the Route Explorer and select a route. After editing, right-click on the route name and select either Save to save the route directly or Save Route As to save the route as a copy or in another catalogue with a different name. The second way to save a route is via the waypoint list. To do this, open the waypoint list, click on Route, and select Save. Protect a route. Sign is a feature to protect the route against any unintended or unauthorized changes. To sign a route, right-click on a route in the Route Explorer and select Sign. Enter the Level 2 password provided by the ECDIS manufacturer. Click on OK to open the confirmation, which informs about a successful signing process. Apply with OK. The signed route is now marked with a padlock symbol next to the route name. If the cursor is moved over the route name, a status line, Signed on Date, is shown. Note: if there are any changes made to this signed route and the route is activated, the changes will be operative, e.g. for track control, but they cannot be stored unless the route name is changed. The original route will never be affected by these changes. Delete a route. To delete a route, right-click on the route in the Route Explorer and select Delete Route. A confirmation window will appear. Click OK to confirm. Export a route. To export a route, insert an external device into the system. Select a route from the catalogue, right-click on the route to be exported, and a selection menu will appear. Select Export Route. Regarding the export file, the user can choose between two different formats. Choose the recommended export format, Narcos Platinum, and confirm with OK. A progress indicator displays the success of the export. To export two or more routes, use the keyboard, press and hold the Control button while clicking on the desired route. The selected route will be highlighted. Click right and follow the procedure described above. Note: on the external device, the function Export Route will insert a new directory or catalogue named Route Exchange. In case it's planned to restore the files or to restore complete catalogues, keep this directory with the same name. The function Import Routes is looking at this directory solely. Import a route. To import a route, insert an external device into the system. Select the catalogue in which the imported routes should be stored. And select Import Routes. The submenu Select Routes for Import into the ship's database appears. It shows the available catalogue or directories under the Route Exchange folder on the USB flash drive. Select a catalogue, and all routes in this catalogue will be highlighted. Click on Import to import the routes. A safety message appears if the routes have already been saved in the database. Select Yes to overwrite the files in the database. Note: this entry can only be selected if a Route Exchange directory is on a USB flash drive. Catalogue handling. To rename a catalogue, make sure that no route is active or open under this catalogue. Right-click on the catalogue, select Rename Catalogue, and enter a new catalogue name. Apply with OK. To delete a catalogue, right-click on the catalogue, select Delete Catalogue, and confirm with OK twice. Note: be aware that after confirmation, the catalogue, including all corresponding routes, will be deleted. Export catalogue. To export a catalogue, insert an external device into the system. Right-click on the catalogue to be exported and select Export Catalogue. A selection menu will appear where the user can choose between two different formats for the export file. Choose the recommended export format, Narcos Platinum, and confirm with OK. A progress indicator displays the success of the export. Edit route notes. Open the Route Explorer and select an existing route. Click on Waypoint List to open the waypoint list. Click on Route and select Edit Route. Enter the desired note and click on OK. The note can be found in the passage plan. Note: in case of a long note, a line wrap may be inserted. To do this, activate the Line Wrap checkbox. Filter waypoint list. A route can have a large number of waypoints. Some of them will have the arrival attribute. This attribute will extract the waypoints with the estimated time of arrival at this destination. With this filter function, all waypoints with the arrival attribute can be extracted and displayed separately in the list. Select View in the waypoint list and activate the Filter View checkbox. To enable the filter, activate the Arrival Point checkbox, and only arrival points in the route will be shown. Customized waypoint list. Open the waypoint list and right-click on the column headlines. To auto-size the table, select Auto Size All. To remove the selected column from the table, click on Remove Name. To insert a new column, select Insert and select the desired data from the list. The new column will be placed to the left of the selected column header. Customized Passage Plan. Click on Route and select Set up Passage Plan. To customize the Passage Plan page, click on the Page drop-down menu and select the desired page format. To change the page orientation, click on the Orientation drop-down menu. To append a column, select the Add drop-down menu. One can choose from different pieces of passage plan information. In addition, right-click on the column headline, select Insert, and select the desired passage plan information. To delete a column, right-click on the column headline and select Remove. Go to Document Preview to select from the following functions: print, copy, zoom in or out. In addition, several view functions can be selected: 100% view, page width, whole page, 2 pages.
Default settings. Click on Tools and select the Route Explorer. Create a new route and open the waypoint list. All current route parameters and their default values can be set either for the leg or for the waypoint. Right-click on the first waypoint in the waypoint list. Select Edit Waypoint, and the Edit Waypoint window appears. To adjust the leg values, right-click on the waypoint in the waypoint list and select Edit Leg. When a waypoint is created, its parameters are automatically set according to the previous waypoint or leg. Route presentation. Prior to route editing, the user should first adjust the setting of the route display. Access the Settings menu, select Route, and the Route presentation window will appear. Activate the checkbox for the desired presentation that will be displayed in the chart. The presentation includes Show Safety Corridor, Show Bearing, Show Waypoint Number, and Show Wheel over Point or Line. Note: the Show Wheel over Point or Line can be changed between point and line by clicking on the corresponding drop-down menu. Add waypoints. To add a waypoint, create a new route as described in Topic 5.1.1. An orange circle will appear on the chart screen with the default waypoint name W1. Move the cursor over the waypoint and click to mark. A square mark will appear at the center of the waypoint. Drag the circle to the desired location and release the click to drop. To add more waypoints, mark the waypoint again by clicking on it. Right-click on the waypoint and select Route in the context menu. Click on Continue Route and select the position on the chart for the new waypoint. After adding all waypoints, right-click to end the process. Move waypoints. To move a waypoint, mark it, hold and drag the waypoint, and release the click on the desired position to drop the waypoint. Edit waypoints. To edit a waypoint, mark the waypoint by clicking on it. Right-click on the waypoint and select Route. Click on Edit Waypoint and the Edit Waypoint window will appear. The following waypoint data can be adjusted by using the corresponding fields, checkboxes, or spin boxes. Waypoint name, waypoint position, radius, arrival point, ETA, offset, tolerance, and notes. Click OK to confirm. Delete waypoints. To delete a waypoint, mark the waypoint by clicking on it. Right-click on the waypoint and select Route. Click on Delete and the waypoint disappears. Insert waypoints. Waypoints can be inserted before or after the marked waypoint. To insert a waypoint, mark the waypoint by clicking on it. Right-click on the waypoint and select Route. Click on Insert Before or Insert After. Note: once a waypoint has been inserted, it will be displayed in the center between two waypoints in a straight line. Parameter point. The parameter point functions exactly the same way as a waypoint. However, it is used in a long leg, where no course change is required, to provide notification in order to allow a change to speed, course, or cross-track distance limits, applicable to this leg after passing the parameter point. To activate a waypoint as a parameter point, select a waypoint, right-click on it, and select Edit Waypoint. Activate the Parameter Point checkbox in the Edit Waypoint window. The standard waypoint symbol will change to a parameter symbol. The operator can shift this waypoint alongside to the leg if the parameter waypoint handle is active. If the parameter waypoint arrives at the maneuver part of the leg, a red shadow will appear around the symbol. Note: if a parameter point is set on a waypoint with a course alteration, the alteration will be removed and a straight leg will remain with the parameter point on it. Edit safety corridor manually. The safety corridor can be changed easily. To do this, select the safety corridor on the chart to mark it. Click on one desired edge and drag and drop it to the desired range. Release the click to set the range. Add waypoint. Click on Tools. Open the Route Explorer and create a new route. Right-click on the created route and select Waypoint List. The waypoint list appears with the initial waypoint. To add a new waypoint, right-click on the initial waypoint and select Insert New. The new waypoint will appear on the same position as the initial waypoint. It is also possible to copy and paste waypoints. To do this, mark one waypoint, copy it with the Ctrl and C keys on the ASCII keyboard, and set the new waypoint by using the Ctrl and V keys. Edit waypoint. To edit a waypoint, right-click on the waypoint which should be edited and select Edit Waypoint. The Edit Waypoint window will appear with the following editable values, which can be changed by using the corresponding field, checkbox, or spin box. Name, to edit the name of the waypoint. Latitude, longitude, to set the position of the waypoint. Parameter point, to activate the waypoint as a parameter point. Radius, to edit the radius between two subsequent legs. Arrival point, to activate the waypoint as arrival point. ETA, to set the estimated time of arrival to the waypoint. Offset, to edit the local time offset of the waypoint. Tolerance, to edit the tolerance of the ETA. Notes, to edit the notes for the waypoint. Apply all changes with OK. Edit leg. To select a leg to be edited, right-click on the waypoint and select Edit Leg. The Edit Leg window will appear with the following editable values, which can be changed by using the corresponding field, checkbox, or spin box. Controller, to define the type of controller. Sail, to select either rhumb line or great circle. Economy, to adjust the rudder economy. maximum speed. To set the maximum speed for this leg. Course limit. To set the maximum course limit. Cross-track limit. To set the maximum cross-track limit. Port corridor. To activate, deactivate, and adjust the corridor on port side. Starboard corridor. To activate, deactivate, and adjust the corridor on starboard side. Apply all changes with OK. Waypoint handling. To center a waypoint on the chart screen, right-click on the waypoint in the waypoint list and select Center Chart here. To cut a waypoint, right-click on the waypoint, select Cut, or press Ctrl and X on the ASCII keyboard. To copy a waypoint, right-click on the waypoint, select Copy, or press Ctrl and C on the ASCII keyboard. To paste a waypoint, select a route. Choose a waypoint where the cut or copied waypoint of another route should be inserted, and select Paste. The waypoint will now be inserted before the selected waypoint of destination. It is also possible to make a multiple selection of waypoints. To select all, right-click on the waypoint and click on Select All. For multiple selection, hold the Ctrl key on the ASCII keyboard and click on the desired waypoints to highlight them. To append a route to another route, select the corresponding waypoints of the first route and right-click. Choose either Copy or Cut. Open the waypoint list of the second route and right-click on the last waypoint of the list. Select Append to append the first route to the second route. Planned speed. Click on Tools, open the Route Explorer, and right-click on a desired route. To adjust the planned speed, select Waypoint List, click on Options, and click on Set Planned Speed Mode. The planned speed is valid for the entire voyage. To clear the planned speed, click on Options and select Clear Planned Speed Mode. The value will change back to the default planned speed or to the planned speed set during the editing of single legs. Note: changes in ETA calculations need a set date in the ETA field of at least one waypoint. Set ETA. The estimated time of arrival can be calculated by using the planned speed. Click on View and select Schedule. Right-click on the last waypoint and select Edit Waypoint. Click on the ETA drop-down menu and select Set. To set the ETA manually, adjust it by using the ETA spin boxes. If needed, set offset and tolerance by using the respective spin boxes. Click on OK to confirm. To reach the desired ETA of the selected waypoint, the required time of arrival is shown on each waypoint in the waypoint list. If the desired ETA is different to the ETA, the deviation will be shown in the delay column. Note: if the planned speed is changed, the ETA of each waypoint will be adapted automatically to reach the desired ETA at the last waypoint. The planned speed cannot be higher than the max speed.
ECDIS hazards. Before starting a route check, the route check display has to be adjusted. To do this, click on Settings and open the ECDIS hazards. After a route check, the following parameters can be displayed or hidden on the chart by clicking on the corresponding checkbox. Show Crossing Safety contour on chart. Show Navigation Hazards ahead on chart. Show Crossing Special Areas on chart. The latter can be customized by selecting the desired checkbox below the Show Crossing Special Areas on chart checkbox. The selected display option will be shown as red and yellow polygons in the chart during route check. Execute route check. To start an automatic route check, open the waypoint list of the desired route. Click on Route and select Check Route. The route check window appears with the results. Click on Rerun to run the check again. To close the window, click on Close. Note, if changes are necessary, the check has to be repeated. Check route result. If no issues are found during the route check, the window will show checking the route against the electronic chart passed. The details of issues can be viewed on the check route window. It's divided into 4 columns. Waypoint shows the list of affected waypoints. Issue shows the description of the issue. Source, Center Chart button. Next, right-click on the desired issue and select Center Chart here. Indication. After a route check, a yellow warning sign will be displayed in front of the waypoint with an issue of the waypoint list. To get more information, hover the cursor over the sign and the error or the errors will appear in a tooltip. In case of any danger during the route check, the area of danger will be highlighted in red-coloured polygons on the chart. All other issues will be displayed in yellow polygons. Hover the cursor over the red mark or the yellow square, and a tooltip will show more detailed information.